You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about SpaceX Crew-4 astronauts splashing down. This is for GS Paper 3, Space Technology. NASA's SpaceX Crew-4 astronauts, who spent 170 days in orbit aboard the Dragon spacecraft, completed the agency's fourth commercial crew mission to the International Space Station by safely splashing down the coast of Jacksonville, Florida. Let's get into the details. The Crew-4 mission launched on 27th of April 2022 on Falcon 9 rocket from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Heinz, Lindgren, Watkins, and Cristoforetti traveled 72,168,935 miles during their mission, spent 170 days aboard the space station, and completed 2,720 orbits around the Earth. Throughout their mission, the Crew-4 astronauts contributed to a host of science and maintenance activities and technology demonstrations. Crew-4 continued work on investigations documenting how improvements to the space diet affect immune function and the gut microbiome, determining the effect of fuel temperature on the flammability of a material, exploring possible adverse effects on astronaut hearing from equipment noise and microgravity, and studying whether additives increase or decrease the stability of emulsions. The astronauts also investigated microgravity-induced changes in the human immune system similar to aging, tested a novel water reclamation membrane, and examined a concrete alternative made with a material found in lunar and Martian dust. The spacecraft, named Freedom by Crew-4, will return to Florida for inspection and processing at SpaceX's Dragon lair, where teams will examine the spacecraft's data and performance throughout the flight. The Crew-4 flight is part of NASA's Commercial Crew program, and its return to Earth follows on the heels of NASA's SpaceX Crew-5 launch, which docked to the station on 6th of October 2022, beginning another science expedition. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com.